Oscar's going to transfer the old Mustang body parts onto the new ones. So that's the way he's going.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode in 5-Star Cars. My name is Shane and hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to tune in on today's episode. We've got a big one today, guys, with lots of the big hitters that we're going to be discussing. If you're new to the channel, we do discuss about what's going on, some of your favorite car YouTubers. We do podcasts with other car YouTubers. And we are going to be doing a project car. So smashing that subscribe button, guys. If you want to see this channel get a project car, we are aiming to get 2,000 subscribers. Please do consider subscribing or even hit the like button, and it'd be great to have you here with us on the channel. As I said, today we're going to be covering DDE, B's for Builds, Tavarish, Royalty Exotics. Basically that's everybody we're covering today. And also, guys, we're going to be doing a vlog this weekend. It's going to be my second vlog. I'm going up to Dublin on Friday. It's my nephew's birthday, but I'm taking a trip up there, and I think I'll vlog it for you. There is a car dealership across the road from my sister's house that has a Huracan LP610-4. I've emailed them to see if they'll let me go there and have a look at the car and record it. What you don't understand, guys, is car YouTubers and YouTubers in general is not a thing over here. It's not like the States. You don't see people going around vlogging really and doing it. Maybe travelers from other countries, but there is no supercars where I live. I saw my first Ferrari today in Limerick. I've been living here 36 years. I've never seen, apart from an R8 and an i8, I've seen my first Ferrari. It was a Ferrari 599 GTB. Which I was quite shocked to see, and I was like, "Jeez, I've never seen a Ferrari here." So that is how rare it is. And dealerships here in Ireland, like, they don't get YouTubers requesting to look at and record cars. It's very, very out of the blue for them, and they just don't get it, and they just don't really what's the word I'm looking for? They don't kind of accommodate YouTubers to go and record cars. So I'm going to try my best to get a car dealership for you and try and get you some supercars when I'm up in Dublin and bring you along for the ride. So, that's what's going to happen. But we'll jump into today's episode and let's move on with it. B is for Build. So they have continued on with their Apocalypse build. It's gone back to Oscar's GT500. They've finally gotten the engine out, and that frame it needs to be straightened, but they couldn't get to the framework guy to get it done because it's another week out. So it looks like they ended up just getting a truck and just basically putting on plates and doing it themselves. Now I don't know if the guys are doing these. Are they going to be making it road legal? Or is it just these apocalyptic builds are just be not road legal and just for a mess? If it's not road legal, it won't really matter as long as they get it somewhat way close. But if they are going to be trying to make it road legal, which I'm presuming they will, is it good enough for what they've done? I'm presuming it will be. It looks like Oscar's measured it up pretty good. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving that they have 3 different projects going on at the same time, and it's interesting to see that Oscar's going to transfer the old Mustang body parts onto the new ones. So that's the way he's going. It's going to be a lot of work, but these episodes are going to keep us all entertained for B's for Build for a while. Let me know what you think of the build below and what way do you think it's going to turn out. Moving on, next on our list is DDE. DDE Dave on DDE has come out with what he wants to do with the Huracan, and they've done a lot of stuff with Damon's Huracan already, and he's saying he wants a twin turbo with 2,000 horsepower, put a parachute on the back of it, wide body it, lightweight wheels, and a new wrap and stuff like that. So can you daily drive a 2,000 brake horsepower Huracan? I think Damon was right. He'll have to have a map in there that he can switch over and back between them, which would make sense. I hope he doesn't go. I hope he doesn't do a stupid wrap in it. I like a solid, nice, bright color, a very, very nice wide arch kit, and a nice set of wheels. How it's going to turn out, God knows. It's Dave. But my own thoughts on it. I mean, he's looking for a lot of power out of that car, and he's going to be putting a lot of money into it. Are we glad he's doing the Huracan? For the money that's going into it, could he get waited off and got something better? Maybe. I mean, because as I said, they've already have the Damon's Huracan on there, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the mods that they've planned for the Huracan on Daily Driven Exotics. I feel like it's been done, and he's really going to have to push the boat out in this one to do something, you know, that's really going to be epic. But it's the DD. They always come up with something crazy. Moving on, next on the list is Tavarish. He just released his latest video on his 675 LT build. He's finally gotten the engine out with Jared. Was watching it, and my God, you feel. When you saw him, if you watched the episode of him taking the engine out and the amount of damage that it's after taking, it must have really, that engine really must have jolted forward. It's cracked so many things, and that turbo has all but it's screwed. Like, you know, it's gone to shit, and he'll have to replace that turbo as well. This list for Tavarish, the bank account is getting hit pretty bad. I don't know how much those turbos are, but you would think, in my own opinion, what I think he should do is maybe upgrade the turbos, or can you upgrade them with McLaren? I don't know if you can, or would you have the space there in the engine compartment to upgrade them to get bigger turbos and make it quicker. But you'd see the parts that were broken on it since he's taken it out. You know, it got pretty mangled. I really cannot wait for him to finish this build and see how it comes out, and what if he does put more power into it, which I hope he does. It's just interesting the way McLaren build their engines, and it's so compact, and the amount of stuff he's going to have to, you know, tear apart with Jared to figure out what else needs to be fixed. And man, that thing took such a bad hit. I was not expecting that much damage on the 675 LT, but it's interesting to see you know, what he's going to have to go through, especially one of those bolt housings is completely cracked off, that they have to weld and keep the heat outside of the head gasket as well from not warping it. So that's going to be very, very interesting and tricky how he's going to do that. But let me know, guys, in the comments below what you're thinking of the 675 LT build and what you want Tavarish to do with it. Moving on, next on our list, guys, is Royalty Exotics, and as Houston does, he gets too excited and goes off and nearly finishes half his projects without you know, recording it. But he did get the 720S up and running, and he has sold it. But my God, I was not expecting the sound of the Rift exhaust on the 720S and the speed those things they do. I mean, I was pretty shocked. Like, it sounds amazing. If I was to get a 720S, hands down, I would probably get the Rift exhaust on it. Listen to this thing go. Absolutely sick, guys. I mean, that thing is unbelievably quick, and with that exhaust on it, that's the way a 720S should sound. It sounds amazing. I'm sure if any of you guys have one out there, that would be exhaust definitely to get it. If I ever got a 720S, it would definitely be a top of my list to get, and he sold it. So it'll be interesting to see. I think he's saying about selling the Bugatti Veyron. There's rumours, Life of Paul's even said it's going to Stradman, so it'll be interesting to see if it does. And he's talking about getting a Senna instead of it, so interesting to see if he does. Probably will, and yeah, if he sells it to Stradman, the Veyron, pretty happy days for Stradman. So yeah, and talking of exhaust, moving on to our last but not least people that I've come across is FI Exhaust. I never knew they actually had a channel, and they have put on their exhaust system on the Huracan, and this is the exhaust system I think probably Dave will end up on his Huracan. It's good. I love the way with FI Exhaust you can close the valves and open them and make them quieter, but this does sound pretty sick. So check out the exhaust on this Huracan. go, guys. What do you think? Yeah, it does sound really, really, really sick. I really like it. I love the way it's just the pops and bangs on that thing when you're downshifting and just slowing down is, you hope one day, I could get one, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, FI exhaust would definitely be an exhaust system up there you consider, one of the best, along with the Rift exhaust and a few others. Let me know in the comments below what you think is the best exhaust system you've heard on a Huracan, or you think are the best aftermarket exhaust system for supercars. I'd be interested to see what you say. So yeah, guys, that's everything for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you watched the end, thanks very much. Really means a lot to me, and hope you will smash the subscribe button and help the channel grow. And I will get us a project car to stick with us. We're getting close to being monetized, and it's tough work being a small channel, and just your support means a lot to me. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, and I will probably have another one out tomorrow, and then we'll have the vlog the weekend. So yeah, as I said, guys, that's everything for today, for this episode. I should chat to you again soon. Stay safe, peace out, and bye.